welcome back to South Florida and Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. And today are the kind of days we live for. It's a rough day, but yet we still have plenty of boat traffic and plenty of captains who are willing to step in the ring and try and do battle with Haulover and see how they fare. Even this scarab is making its way out. They hug the north side of the inlet and quickly bail out the north side like a pro. But let's see how the rest of our captains fare as they try and take on the inlet, and our first round competitors ready to go. And it's going to be none other than a big CV making its way toward Haulover with a heavy following sea. Our crew looks pretty solid right here. They've got a decent pace, but this is a big heavy boat with a heavy following sea. I still won't be surprised if Haulover throws a few surprises at it. Here we're going to see our boat's going to choose to alter course. At least I believe so. It doesn't appear that was a forced alteration from Haulover. It looks like our captain has chosen to come closer to the south side of the inlet. And here they're going to continue to make their way in. Once again, pretty good pace. They're going to try and battle their way and push their way through this. Oh, and it's a close call. They keep the nose up, but we've got the big pull up here, and it looks like they're going to make it in, and just barely. That was a close one. They almost stuffed it, but our crew is going to go ahead and take a win for the boats here in the first round. And our second round competitor that's ready to step in the ring and do battle with Haulover is going to be in Nortec, and my man's got the throttles pinned. He is blasting his way toward the mouth of Haulover, and it's a rough day to be going this speed, but our cap doesn't care. He's holding it down. Oh no! No! This run looked incredible, but right here, I'm almost, yes, unfortunately, they stuffed it. This is one of those ones that's tough. I mean, I gotta follow the rules and give them the loss, but this is one of those ones I really hate to give a loss on. Our cap did a great job, just barely stuffs it though. Haulover takes the win here in round 2. Our third round competitor is going to have to do a little better to try and do everything they can to keep this bow up. We have another CV working its way toward the mouth of Haulover, and our crew they're riding in a pretty good attitude. They've got the engines trimmed up, doing everything they can to keep this bow up in the air, and oh man, that was close, but I'm pretty sure they kept that one up. I mean, I don't see anybody scrambling from the front of the boat like there's water getting in. And our guys are going to make it in as well. Another close call for the CVs, but they're going to pull out a win for the boats here in this round, and that's going to give the boats an early 2-1 lead as we move into the fourth round of our competition. And our fourth round is going to feature a Boston whaler trying to make its way out of Haulover. No! These guys stuff it early. They're just coming out entirely too slow. The boat's not up on step at all. Man, they stuffed it like 3 times in a row. Just look at the amount of water just spewing out of the anchor locker drain just below the hatch where the anchor locker sits. That'll let you know exactly how much water these guys took over the bow. They do pick up the pace here at the end, but unfortunately it's too little too late, and this crew will take a loss for the boats here in the fourth round. And that'll take us to a 2-2 tie as we move into the fifth and final round of our competition. Who will take the win? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? And here we go. Our crew is making their way toward Haulover, but our crew is also playing it safe. My man has this bow trimmed exceptionally high, not taking any chances, and is going to take an easy win for the boats, giving the boats the win in this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens to the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.